Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn some nice and new words starting with the letter N.
Yay, I'm ready, Mom. What's our first N word?
Yes, today's first N word is N for nose. Can you say it?
Nose.
Awesome. N for noodles.
N for noodles.
N for nachos.
N for nachos.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for net.
N for net.
N for necktie.
N for necktie.
N for newspaper.
N for newspaper.
N for notebook.
N for notebook.
N for nut.
N for nut.
N for necklace.
N for necklace.
N for nail.
N for nail.
N for numbers.
N for numbers.
N for ninja.
N for ninja.
N for nail polish.
N for nail polish.
N for narwhal.
N for narwhal.
N for newt.
N for newt.
Awesome! That was really amazing. We learned beautiful, nice N words today. Come back tomorrow at 9 a.m. for more alphabet fun.
Bye bye, friends. See you soon. Don't forget